Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix your phone number could not be verified on Cash App. So guys, if you're trying to verify your phone number on your Cash App account and you're unable to do this, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now open settings in your device, and from here tap on your profile, and from here you have to scroll it below, tap on media and purchases, tap on view account, and wait here for some seconds. So guys, from here you have to simply change your country or region correctly. So guys, here you can see this, change your country or region, and after this go back, and now you have to tap on general, and now scroll it below, tap on date and time, and set your date and time from here, and after this go back, and now tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN in this device, and after this go back and now scroll it below and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply force restart your device for one time. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact the Apple support team for further information and help. So guys, that's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.